This video will show you a very simple indicator, the simplest indicator. And this is the idea of today's videos. I'm just recording simple concepts that you can implement. This indicator can be profitable on its own. You should backtest it though. And what I would do though is I would combine it with other indicators. It's not even going to be an indicator, it's just reading the volume the correct way. Understanding how volume reacts at certain price levels. We will also do another video, a follow-up video with the VPR, the volume profiles indicator. There's a few variations: the volume profile, fixed range, visible range, VP, VFR, VPVR, or something. Yeah, the abbreviation. It's an interesting indicator, but we'll make it as simple as possible, as beginner friendly as possible. So all you have to do really is just slap the like button, or I'll slap you, subscribe, because my enemies are coming. And look at that, I just have 49,000 subscribers and I need 50k subscribers, and my enemies told me, Niki, you need to get 50 or we are coming. So help me out, guys. This video is not financial advice. Let's check it out. So what do we understand from this chart right here? We definitely had a huge dump, and during the Asia session, this is the time zone, this is my time zone, the London session starts somewhere around here, but there's no volume suggesting more downwards momentum. And what we can see on the chart, probably very visibly, is a divergence. What do you think? Does the price go down or up from here? Let's do a test. You have lower selling pressure, as you can see right here. You have some increase of buying pressure right here. Not a huge amount, but some increase. Selling is definitely exhausted. And what we're waiting for as a confirmation is an increase of volume, because here we don't have selling pressure, but we don't have buying pressure as well. So what you want to do is wait a little bit. Okay, so now we have some buying pressure. And this buying pressure, this candle is higher than all of these. You can enter here or wait a little bit to see how everything will react. But yeah, since the price is just moving up, we have more buying pressure. This candle is the same as this volume-wise. I would actually enter a long here. Let me know what you would do right here without having the 200 EMA, just a naked chart. Forgot to remove this. This is from some other video that I did. I would target the 1 to 1.5. That's probably what I prefer most of the time. And let's see how this plays out. We have more buying pressure. No huge buy tick yet though. Now we have a lot of selling pressure, but we are now heading for an uptrend. So wouldn't respect the selling pressure, because this sell candle right here is smaller than these ones. Now we have the biggest buy candle right here, where I would actually enter another long. We basically took profit here, as you can see. I would enter in another long right here because of the buying pressure that crushed anything else that we've had. I'll use this as my support area, target 1 to 1.5 the risk, just with volume profiles, just with volume, not even volume profiles. Let's play this out, another win, right? Now we have a lot of selling pressure. I would probably short right here. The reason for that is this is the biggest selling candle of all. It's bigger than the ones right here. So I would short, place a short right here. And let's see how that plays out. I'm doing this 1.2, 1.5, just like so. And yeah, this might be a loss actually. If it's a win, I'm gonna be I'm gonna feel weird, because this is the most simplest strategy I've seen. Yeah, this is taking a bit too long. There's no volume here. This is the Asia time zone. London session is starting right here, and we are dumping. Let's see how that will play out. it's probably gonna be a loss. But it was very close to hitting take profit. I guess the stop loss was very high. Should have moved it here, and that way I could have taken this. But it doesn't really matter because we had a 5.7% win, 7.6. That's 14%. If we lose 4, we're still going to be up 10% without the leverage. At 5 average, that's 50%. But yeah, we might just win this one. That's gonna be weird. It's a very simple strategy, and the good thing is you can use. It's a loss here. The good thing is you can actually use a screener to find trading opportunities like it. Right here, at if you're using trading. Um, Let me just hide this. Where am I? These two. So if you're using TradingView, if you're not, there's a link for it in the description down below. All you gotta do is click on screener, filter, and either use one of these to find things that have more volume than normally, or I use the change. The change works really well as well to find opportunities within the markets. So this is an idea of how I would trade this. Let me know what you think about everything, about this strategy. What would you combine it with? Probably 200 EMA, 50 EMA. Did you test it with 20 EMA? Let me know. I want to know. Or is there any other indicator that you want me to review? I have a crypto students group in the video in the description down below. And if you want to use these indicators to trade with the best altcoins, like the exchange that lists these altcoins first is AMEXC. I'm sponsored by them. There's a link for them in the description down below. You definitely would want to check them out. See you next video. Bye.